Want to know how to find the longest word in a sentence in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy or short 59 code and how you can do it in just a few steps. So I'm going to explain you in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we have created a sentence that is I love Java programming. So here's the fast way. We first split the sentence into words. So we usually do it all the time. So we just simply select string words and then split it by selecting this split method right here with a blank space inside it. Now, once that is done, we loop through. So we have used for loop right here for string word. So string word is right here. That's why you are inside string word. So it's inside the for loop. Now, we loop through each word and keep track of the one with maximum length. Once that is done, we update the longest word whenever a bigger one shows up. And then we finally print it out. And that's it. For example, Java makes coding easy. The result will simply be coding. And that's it. You can just simply run this one as well. And now its longest word should be programming right here. That's it. Super interesting and simple. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos.